Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Oscar.
And Ruben!
from, where are we from?
Bullion now.
Little Coin Shop.
Oh, that's right. Sorry.
We're all over the shop today.
We are indeed.
So we're doing a Little Coin Shop unboxing. We're going to let the Bullion Now boys see it as well. So we've snuck it quietly out of Little Coin Shop, and this is kind of one of our favourites because it's a Star Wars unboxing.
You like Star Wars?
Oh mate,
Hadn't picked up on that.
I've just been known to watch it occasionally.
Fair enough.
We just did the Star Wars series in the family again, 1 through 6.
And how'd you go?
Yeah, loved it.
Yeah,
Always
excellent.
do.
Yeah. How long
Grab
did
the
it
box,
take you?
let's go. Let's unbox while we talk.
Top one, let's go.
Yeah, start with it.
Life skills, Michael.
Yeah, well, you know,
As always.
as always, got to find the lid first. So it was good watching 1 through 6 again.
Absolutely. What's your favourite?
Oh,
pressure's up.
yeah, it is. Look, I like. The problem is now I like the favourite start. I think is number 3,
Okay.
but the favourite film I think is number 6. But there's parts of the others that I really like as well.
That's all we need to know.
All right, what do we got in here? Do you want to do?
I do indeed. I am so excited. Should I wear a glove for this?
Nah,
It's
not for
alright.
that one.
Okay.
It's got all the protective coatings on it.
Oh, beautiful. Oh,
I'll
my,
do the song,
my.
shall I? Dum 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 dum.
Doesn't that just play whenever you enter a room?
That's right.
Oh man, I love these. They're incredible.
So it's the. What are we allowed to call these? I always get it
They're a
wrong.
coin, aren't they?
The faces of the Empire. This one isn't the. If you were thinking about the chibis or something
Yeah, I
like that,
can't call it a chibi,
You
can I?
can. No,
I
New
can.
Zealand mint produced the chibis, but this one isn't a chibi.
Okay.
This is a completely different series.
I don't know if we're going to be able to get this out on camera. You
If
might
you
have to
push
wait.
on the bottom of them, you can sometimes get them out.
Yeah, this
That's
one's
right.
not going to
Alright,
cooperate.
alright.
It's a bit risky.
So yeah, it comes with all the stats down the outside there, or actually on the inside because that folds straight over. And then you've got the coin itself inside there. Very limited edition, these ones.
Is that right? What's the mintage on it? Does it say
mate,
there?
my glasses aren't that
10,000.
good. I got to get new eyes. All right, so this is Grogu.
This is Grogu.
That's
His
fantastic.
carrier. I love this carrier. I want one of these. Well, it's too late now. All my kids have grown out of them. But those carriers are fantastic. They just kind of float and follow you around wherever you go.
And armoured and things like that. You
Yeah, well, that helps.
never know when that's helpful.
I love the presentation case though. It's still got that whoosh thing that you get on your mobile phones as the protective covering there. But they just present really well sitting up on your collection stand.
So they're a good display piece, aren't they?
They absolutely are.
And good luck collecting the whole collection. That's how you know you're a true Star Wars
Well,
fan.
there's a few collections in there though, mate. That's the problem.
We
All
open
right,
up this
next,
one,
mate.
too?
Yes.
Oh, it's a heavy one.
Yeah, was this the one we were going to open or the one we weren't going to open, mate?
No, there's. I think there's some in here that may not be on brand with Star Wars. So we will definitely still have to unbox them, but I'm not sure if we'll include them as a part of this one or not.
Alrighty.
It is
More Darth Vaders.
Can't have enough, can you?
Can't have enough Darth Vader. He's become a real... Like, when I was a teenager, he was very, very unpopular.
Is that right?
But these days,
He's an icon, isn't he?
yeah, he's,
Yeah,
he's
he's up
kind
there
of
with
the hit.
Elton John and Elvis.
Yeah, that's right. So we've got more of those come in. Oh, here we go.
man.
You can do this one, mate.
Oh, thank you very much. It's a character we all know and love. The one out silver, Boba Fett.
Here we go.
I like how they're a little
Boba?
bit
Boba.
different. Boba Fett.
I keep calling it Boba, but I was corrected last night by Star Wars because I had a bit of a discussion with my oldest about which one it was, and so we called up Star Wars, and he was right. It's Boba. So is this is a 1 ounce, isn't it?
It
for
is
Boba?
indeed, yeah. You can see the proof-like background. I like that it comes in it's kind of like a watch display case, isn't it?
Yeah, they do a good job. They do a good job. I prefer the Perth Mint display cases,
Okay.
but these are actually really functional and really good.
I was going to say the hinges on them and kind of how they open up it's very solid feeling.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I think I'm wrong. I think that was a bit harsh. I think I judged them incorrectly. Oh, here we go.
No, this is
Seeing as we're on the Darth Vader theme,
Is that a 3 ounce?
This is a 3 ounce Darth Vader. We're going to have to be careful we don't start mixing up packaging here.
Yeah, the 3 ounce is quite a popular size, isn't it?
3 ounces, fantastic. So this is, hang on, I've got to work out which way up it goes. There we go. Never thought it was so hard to get a coin the right way around. Now don't worry too much about this. This is just the protective packaging around it. And then you've got the coin itself inside.
Oh,
Yeah,
colour coins are great.
If I remember rightly, so it's the 3 ounce. And these, more and more mints are doing these quote unquote oddball sizes where they're just slightly different. You don't see too many 3 ounces out there, and they're incredibly popular with the collectors, including me. I'm going to use your young eyes. What's the mintage?
The mintage is 2000, believe it or not.
So I knew it was very, very limited.
Yeah.
So, and from memory, and I may stand corrected on this, but I'm pretty sure, Rubes, you might be able to correct me, these are actually sold out in New Zealand, aren't they?
I think those ones might be. I know one of the other ones that's supposed to be in this box is. I'll have to probably flash something up on the screen about these ones.
Yeah, okay. Now this is the other 3, this is the other 3 ouncer. Now this is actually a restock. You've seen this one before. Hang on, again, Rubes, is it around that way?
Yep.
Kind of looking upside down.
That's it.
So this is part of the, I can't remember the name of the collection.
It's the Battle Scenes.
Battle Scenes, thank you. So 3 ounce silver again, and this one is Hoth.
We sold out of these ones very, very quickly last time, so it's good to have a few more of those back through.
Beautiful coloured coin, mintage of 1000, by the way.
Oh, they're less, are
They
they?
are indeed.
Well, there
My
you
eyes are
go.
deceiving me right now.
Oh, trust
Make
your
sure
eyes more than mine, mate.
Mintage of 1000.
So that's another Darth Vader in the 3 ounce. So I think that's all that's in this one.
What a haul we've had today.
Hang on, we've still got another box to go. Don't get too excited yet. Oh no. Ooh.
He has found it. I
Ooh.
was going to say, I thought there was another one hiding in there.
Talk to me.
This is another battle scene, mate.
Oh, okay. Another 3 ouncer.
Another 3 ouncer. This is Scarif.
Is Oscar familiar with Scarif? That's the question.
Why do you have to put me on blast?
So it's the tropical beach kind of planet out in the Outer Rim. As I would say, probably most famously displayed in Rogue One. But
That's right. So is this... See, Hoth is definitely a battle scene from the series.
mm-hmm.
Is Scarif.
I think so. Because they also, because, and I'm going to justify this, because they also included the fight between Obi-Wan and Anakin on Mustafar. And I would argue that, it was a duel, but I don't know about a battle. So, if you're including that, I feel like a full-scale assault is definitely...
Yeah, but it's the wrong series.
What, the anthology films don't... Nah, we'll have this discussion again off camera.
I'm so out of my depth here. All I know is if you have one, you should get the other. Get all the battle scenes.
It's going to be a fairly hotly contested debate around the office all day today. I can see it now. What are we hiding in here? Oh!
Okay.
Oh, well, that's not fair.
Get a little blur going.
I did think there was something else hiding in here.
All right. Oh, that's Grogu again, so we don't need to redo that one. Far out, they pack these boxes. Oh, now we're back in chibi territory. You want to do this one, mate?
Do, yes. And
Oh,
these are on
I'm
display in the shop currently. We didn't have them for a while. So if you come into Bullion now, 227 Collins Street, we've got a good array of little coin shop items at the moment.
Particularly, the Star Wars themed ones. I have to admit to enjoying having put through a bit of the Star Wars coins.
They're very popular for all our customers too.
There's no bias amongst the staff.
No
is there?
bias, that's all. So this is from the new series Andor.
Have you watched that yet, mate?
No,
Oh,
I haven't.
what?
Do you know, I'm going to go home today and do some research and come
Yeah.
back and let you know how I feel
Your
tomorrow.
Christmas bonus is in serious jeopardy here, mate.
I didn't know about a Christmas bonus, but I'm definitely going to watch it now.
All right, and we've also got the Grogu in The Mandalorian. I'm assuming this is a different one, but it
Oh, that's
is
great.
too. Look at that. I like that.
Yep.
They've done a great job with that one.
It's a bit like a comic design of sorts.
It almost does,
Comic
doesn't it?
design, almost like the kind of trading card thing as well.
Yeah.
It's very I
good
do
fun.
like that kind of design thing. And if I'm correct, I think there's actually some different styles of that same.
Bother. I was hoping you weren't going to say that because I'm struggling to.
Yeah, you've got to. I think you may have to do a bit more digging.
Oh yeah, there you go. There's
Different
another one.
names on there.
I'll keep digging. You keep.
Keep unboxing. Come on, efficiency. Come on.
No stopping here. Okay.
What name have we got on this
Oh
one?
wow.
Ah.
I really like these.
Boba Fett.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that's
Very
really
cool.
great.
Boba Fett lives.
Yeah, what a cool little collection.
They're really beautiful coins.
I really like that 3D
Oh,
font
here we
too.
go.
Yeah.
Bit action movie-esque.
Yeah, and that kind of antiquing as well.
Yeah.
Almost gives a lot of clarity and detail
And
there.
that coloured really nicely also. Very shiny and it pops well.
I think that. Oh, I'm going to make a call here and say that these are going to be the collector's item to get out
Is
of the
that right?
series. I don't know. I
Okay.
think these are really cool.
Yeah,
Right,
man,
here
some
we go.
boxes
And the
mixed
third
up.
one there,
Ahsoka.
Ahsoka. Don't think they grabbed Ahsoka quite prop. I love these two. I'm on the fence with Ahsoka.
I think the colours pop really nicely, whether or not you like the bar
Is that
itself.
because you've seen more of her in the Clone Wars, and so you're still used to seeing the kind of more animated style?
Yeah, probably right there. I reckon you.
Because
spot on
we've
with
only
that.
really seen a little bit of her in kind of live action.
Yeah.
So it probably doesn't gel quite as well with what you're used to seeing,
But
particularly if
even
you've done
still-
a recent watch through.
But I think this is a stunning series, and I think it's going to be, if it's not already, I think it's going to be very popular, and probably, I'd almost say the pick of it. Yeah, I reckon that's the pick of it. I reckon
Okay.
if I was going to invest, I don't know.
Okay.
That's the problem with being a bit of a Star Wars geek, is I like all of it, but
Toss up, isn't it?
I'm sorry to do this to you, Michael. I think there's one more in there.
oh no, thrilled.
Keep hunting.
Sorry.
So I believe I actually had a look on the thing before, and I think there's one more of these kind of
Okay.
these kind of ones. So it's going to be.
Well, how
looking
about
at
you pan that way so I can?
Let's have a look at a bit at the already unboxed table whilst you have a bit of a hunt through.
Oi, there you
Okay, here
go.
we
I'll
are.
cover this up. You do that.
Alright. Not gonna lie, I think I've got the boxes a little mixed up, but I'll sort it afterwards.
It's all right, mate. It's all on camera. We can reverse it.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Don't bang this one.
Yeah.
Got it spot on, I think.
Yeah, no, they're great.
I love the little phrase in the bottom right there. This is more than I signed up for. I think that's very a very apt description of what he has to deal with in that series.
Have they got, where's my glasses? Have they got quotes on the bottom of all of them? Or is
Yes,
it
they
just
do.
that one?
No, they have little quotes in the bottom right. So Boba Fett lives. I saw on the Boba Fett one. I don't know what the others have.
No, this just says Jedi Ahsoka Tano.
Can you guess what this one says?
No.
The Force is strong with you. With this little one.
Yeah.
Amazing. All right. Well, we've got a table full of Star Wars coins that are.
What more could you want for
Yeah.
Christmas, eh?
We're happy. Hopefully, you guys are as well for seeing them.
And there's still a little bit more in here, although it wasn't Star Wars related, so we tried to pull that out. But stay tuned, you will see that coming up in the very near future.
Some exciting stuff there as well. All right. Thank you very much for watching, everyone.
See you later.
See ya.
Yeah.